Hey everybody, long time no talk. I've been pretty busy in Cardboard City getting ready for an amazing art show. I'm really excited about it. More information on that later. But I got home and I can't find Evan in the lab, but I think I might hear him tinkering around out in the garage. So I have a creative challenge for him that I think is going to be really cool and he's going to be excited about it. So let's go find him.
Miga, wait.
Evan! Hey Ev! Ev, I'm home! Ev! Evan! Hey Evan! Hey! Hi! Hey! Hey, there we go.
Christie!
Yeah!
Oh man, I'm so glad you're home.
Yeah!
How is your art show setup going in Cardboard City?
Ev, it's looking so awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I cannot wait to see it.
So what are you doing? I got home and you were tinkering in your garage and it looks kind of messy.
Man, Juku's hover car got a crack in the percolators and I had to seal it up so she could fly again.
Yeah, well, it looks great. So I was thinking, do you think you could handle another challenge, a Christie's creative challenge?
Yes! All right, I'm all cleaned up. We're back in the lab. So tell me about this challenge you have for me, Christie.
Okay, so before I left Cardboard City, I met with Bizzi, and she was explaining that she needs a faster ship to get your tokens. And so on my way home, I picked up some new parts and pieces that are extra special, because I thought maybe you could build her a brand new ship.
That is an awesome idea. I built her original ship like, I don't know, ages ago.
Yeah.
So she could really use a new one.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
So where are these pieces?
Well, I sent them in the portal post, so they should be here any minute. I did hear that they were having an issue with their sorting machines.
I heard the same thing too. Oh,
I'm so excited.
whoa, it's huge. Wow. Whoa, okay. There's extra pieces in here, Christie.
Well, at least we got all of our items.
Yeah, check it out.
What's all this other stuff?
I think we got some junk mail in with the parts too.
Oh, well, okay, so are you ready for your challenge?
Yes.
Yes, okay, remember the rules. Number 1, you have to use everything inside of this container. Number 2, you can find things from around the lab to add to it. And number 3, it's gotta be for Bizzi. Sound good?
That sounds great.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm gonna leave you to it. I will check in with you periodically while you're building, and have fun. Hey, Ev. I came to check on you to see how it's going.
Hey, Christy.
It looks really cool.
Check it out.
Yeah.
So I'm using a lot of the pieces you gave me, and I have the body of the ship already set. I put some wings on it, and right now I'm working on where we're gonna put the jet engine.
Okay.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
And this thing will move up and down, so she'll be able to get boost up, down. Check this out though. I was gonna use this for the engine, but I changed my mind, and I'll show you why. Because I found this piece,
Okay.
which is really cool.
Yeah, that looks really cool.
Right? Combine it with this piece.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That's a really neat piece. And then right here, our electro booster.
Ooh.
Now, I will combine these. So here's your jet engine, and here is your electro booster.
Mm-hmm.
Watch when we put them together.
Okay. Whoa!
Right?
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's gonna give her the power that she needs to go in outer space, underwater, hover over the digital desert. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, all of Bizzi's favorite places.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, it looks like you've got a really great start on this. Bizzi is going to love this.
I hope so.
Yeah, okay. Well, keep going. We'll check in later. Ooh, that's looking pretty good.
Yeah, Bizzi's Bubbleship. It's done. Well, almost done.
Yeah.
But check it out. We have a bubble front, really cool bubble back. We got Bizzi's bubble booster. It moves up and down. These bubble blinders on the front. It is super cool.
Yeah, she's gonna love this.
Yeah, she will. I can't wait to show her. But we need to do one more thing before it's done.
What's that?
We need to Migafy it.
Yes. Okay, we are rolling. All right, everybody, let's check out Evan's completed project.
You ready to see, Christy?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Bizzi's Bubbleship.
Ooh, okay. Let me get a closer look. Okay, you used every part, so way to go on that. And it looks like something Bizzi is going to love. It's got her purple and her pink colors, and it looks super cool. Yeah, I think you definitely passed this challenge. Way to go. Nicely done. Okay, so all that's left is to send it to Bizzi.
Yeah, but the portal post is broken.
No worries, I can hand deliver it to her.
Where the heck did you get a pocket portal?
Don't worry about it.
Cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We want to see the spaceships and things that you're making. So hashtag your creations on Instagram using hashtag MigaMade. And we'll see you in the next one.